In order to reset Wi-Fi settings on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings. Then over here we want to go to more connectivity options. Then we want to scroll down to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And then we can press reset settings over here at the bottom of the screen. However, keep in mind that we are resetting all these three settings. So this includes Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, and unfortunately we cannot separate it. So once we press this button and if we enter our PIN code or password, then we need to confirm that we want to do this. And there we go, network settings have been reset. So every Wi-Fi connection that we had has been reset. The same goes with mobile data and Bluetooth. So you will need to connect all your Bluetooth devices again and connect to your Wi-Fi as well. So we can go back and go to Wi-Fi in order to find your network. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!